to see you guys.
I'm glad you're back.
Did you miss me, Miss Iris?
Oh, yeah. I mean, Matt is like awesome, but I really missed you.
Well, honey, I missed you too, but I had a really wonderful time at the women's conference. So you guys, I'm back here today. It's Saturday morning, and we're going to paint something for...
My mom!
For your mom!
It's Mother's Day!
Yeah, if you want, you can give this project. If you want to do this with me, you can give it to your grandma, your aunt, your neighbor, your mom. Anybody that
all those people.
Anybody that you think would enjoy a Mother's Day.
And if you're really good, you can make one for everybody.
Everybody. Now that sounds really thoughtful. We're going to make a flower pot, and to do this, we're going to use our hands.
Oh, yeah.
So come on. So I got to know, Iris, how did you enjoy doing Little Miss Iris Saturday morning show all by yourself?
It was fantastic. I didn't have you like coming around saying, what do you do, don't do that. And Matt was like, I was like, hey Matt, you want to do this? He was like, yeah, sure, Iris, that's cool, whatever you want to do. You're the best ever, I love you, Iris.
Is really that what Matt said? That sounds just like him.
It was pretty close. I mean, he's like the best cutter ever.
Cutter?
Yeah, did you watch the show?
Of course I watched the show.
I mean, he cut like all kinds of stuff up, and then we had fun. We like played games, and we told stories, we made up stories. That was a lot of fun.
I feel like you made a comment once, and it was something to the effect of replacing me.
Oh yeah, that was funny. That was a pretty good one right there.
I thought we were.
I said, you know, if Matt would get on the TV, he could probably replace you.
You want Matt to replace me, Iris?
Oh no, he does really good behind the scenes though.
Behind the scenes. Well, I love painting with you.
You should have seen him dance too. It was hilarious.
Why didn't you get him on
so
camera?
Funny. So I tried to like get him on camera, but he's too smart.
He's too smart.
Yeah, because I tried to get the camera and pointed at him, but he was like dancing like this. He was like, oh.
And he was dodging the camera.
I got the camera and I was sneaking and I was trying to get him.
Yeah.
And then once I got it on him, he was like this.
He
didn't move. He stopped dancing.
Cool and calm. It was
he's pretty smooth.
He's pretty smooth. Well, I really enjoyed the show. I thought you and Matt did a wonderful job together. So thanks for filling in for me when I couldn't be here.
Yeah, no problem.
Hopefully that won't happen again, right? Because I do love painting with you all. Now you guys grab several colors. I'm going to get a color for a flower pot.
What color flower pot?
Brown.
Green?
No, because we're going to use green.
Flower pots are green.
We're going to need our hand. You're going to need some green.
Check.
Now, I use all DIY paint.
Check.
Green. Red.
Check.
Could be pink. Could be whatever color you like. I like red. And then yellow.
Check.
Okay.
What about a paintbrush? Do you need a paintbrush?
I've got my paintbrush.
Okay.
These are...
Those are the best.
The turquoise iris brushes.
So good.
Yes, this one is the edge, okay? So, I'm going to get started on the flower pot while you tell them what you're going to do this weekend to make your mama feel extra special.
Basically, this is what I'm going to do. I mean, she lives on another planet, but, you know, I'll like do the FaceTime thing.
Yeah.
You know, and I'm going to make her breakfast. I mean, she won't be able to eat it because I'll be FaceTiming and, I mean, I'll eat it, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, make her breakfast. Maybe take her to the movies.
Oh, how can you do that? Just on FaceTime?
Yeah, you FaceTime it.
I want to go to the movies for Mother's Day.
Yeah, we go to the movies and then maybe dinner. Maybe dinner, yeah.
Wow.
And I'll probably give her this project, you know. Maybe not give it to her, I have to like ship it. You know, it probably costs like $1 gazillion.
What's your favorite thing about your mama?
She's blue.
You love her the most because she's blue.
Yeah.
Wow.
But she has a red nose. I've got the pink nose. Kind of the black sheep of the family, you know.
You're the coral pink sheep of the family.
Yeah.
So, I'll tell you what I love about my mama.
What's that?
Well, she's always really, really good about taking care of me. As far as like, she likes to shop for me. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh yeah.
She loves to go shopping for me.
Who doesn't love to go shopping? Am I right?
I don't like shopping.
What?
I don't like shopping, but my mom loves to. So when my mom goes shopping, that means, well,
That means you get presents all the time. I know, I see her come by all the time. It's like 4 times a day. She's like,
Oh,
I was like,
stop.
She's like, oh, I just happened to be somewhere. I finally found someone.
Oh, you're so ornery. But no, what I love about my mom is that she's always loving me. And sometimes that's all
Is
it
that a
takes.
song?
She's always loving me.
She's always loving me. I think that's a song.
It should be. Hello. That would be a
I'll make it a
fantastic-
song.
She's always loving me.
It's like a love ballad. Please don't do that.
Okay, good idea.
Okay,
All
let's
right,
stick
so
to the painting.
Listen, the
Okay.
flower pot is drawn, guys. We're going to use our hand. What's the hand going to be? It's going to be the actual stem, the flowers, the leaves. And then we're going to use the red with our fingertip to dot flowers on it. Just stick with me. I promise you. Your mom or your grandma or whoever you're giving this to wants something really personal from you. So this is a way we can do it with our handprint. You've probably done a project like this before, but maybe not this particular one. Have you ever done a handprint?
Oh, yeah. Yeah,
Do we
we've
wanna-
done it on this show, but
Do we want to do your handprint?
nah, not today.
You don't
Just had my nails done. You know, I can't get it dirty.
8-year-olds don't get their nails done.
Yeah, they do. Yeah, they get their toes done.
Whoa.
I had a pedicure. It's really awesome.
Whoa. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is grab my 1-inch brush, and I'm literally going to apply this paint to my hands. It's wet.
Okay, hey, remember, get a lot of paint, because last time we did this, remember?
Yeah.
You had to redo it, so put a lot of paint on
Okay,
there.
you don't have to remind everybody that I
I
had
was,
to redo it.
I was just, you know, it's a friendly reminder.
It's so friendly. It's wet. Oh. Do you have any baby wipes?
It looks like you crushed an avocado in your hand.
Crushed an avocado. Boy, I could.
Yeah.
Ooh, no, it's our flower. So guys, you could roll this paint out on a plate if you wanted to and just stamp your hand in it. But I'm trying to keep it a little
We
bit.
could get like a roller and roll it on your hand.
Oh yeah. Okay,
That
while
would
it's
be
wet,
fun.
here we go. It's our flower.
3, 2, 1, go! Just press hard! Press hard! Come on, you can do this!
Not too hard.
Did you do it? Is it good? Come on, that's it. Did you do it? Yeah! Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo!
Hey, Iris!
Oh, stop that! You get away from me! Stop! Stop!
Oh God, you're such a baby sometimes. I'm not a baby. I'm just playing. But now what? Those baby wipes?
You're gonna need some because you can't high five
Alright.
now. Because we
Baby
like
wipe
usually
time.
do some high fives right now because you did a really good job.
Do a high five.
Not right now.
All right, listen. So we have our actual stem and what? What is this?
It's called a flower pot.
I know, but the
Stems,
like the plant.
leaves.
Okay, sure. Yeah, all of that. That was our hand. So my hand's cleaned up. Yeah, be careful, you guys. Make sure you're always putting down something to protect your table or your workspace. So mom and dad do not.
Especially if you're painting on your hand.
Yeah, and don't touch
get really messy.
anything. Don't touch the
Oh,
faucet.
yeah.
Don't touch anything.
Oh, that'd be so awesome. You'd have like paint. You'd like be painting the faucet, painting the countertop.
I was thinking. Surely.
You were thinking?
I was thinking.
What were you thinking?
I was thinking. One thing that I also absolutely love about my mom is that she's always on my side. No matter what, she's always rooting for me.
Well, except for that one time, you know, when you said, I'm going to marry Matt, and she was like, I don't think so.
You are always such a good storyteller. You're such a good storyteller.
Oh,
Let's
yeah.
make some flowers.
But that turned out pretty good for you.
Yeah, it certainly did. So this red right here, it's Carnival Red, and it's also from DIY, but this is what I'm going to use to make my fingerprints into a flower. So watch this, Iris.
Okay, I'm watching. You guys watching?
I'm
It's
gonna
really cool.
lightly-
We've done this once before, but you just watch again because it's really cool.
Most flowers have how many petals?
7,
Try again.
12.
Try again.
13?
Count, Iris.
You asked me to guess, so I'm guessing. It's 22.
It's 5.
5, that's what I said, 5.
5.
I was testing you. I
Yeah.
was testing. So we we got that right. She got it right. We were testing her.
How many
Who's
spiders?
got 5?
How many legs do spiders have?
8.
You sure?
Maybe. Are you sure? It's not
No.
8. Are you sure?
I think it's 8. That was 8 was my guess for spider legs. Look at us. We're creating a flower pot with just our finger in our hand.
That's really cool.
It's easy. You guys can do this. I want you to do this for your mom or for your grandmother or anybody that you know that loves you so much.
Oh yeah.
Even dads. You can even do this for dads.
But it's not Dad's Day yet.
No, but if someone just has a dad and they don't have a mama, they can do this. Right?
Yeah.
I love this. I love this project. Okay, so the very next thing I'm going to do is put a little yellow dot in the center of each flower. And then on the flower pot, what you can do is you could write 5 things I love about mom. And you could write that with either like some white paint.
5 things.
5 things you love about mom.
That should be pretty easy.
Or dad, or grandma. Oh my goodness, I love this.
Do you know the sun? I heard I was at the grocery store the other day. It was really fun. It's a good story. Okay, I was shopping for cookies. Matt and I were going to get some cookies because I've been a good girl.
Yeah.
And he always gets me some really cool treats. But we were on the same aisle, and the son asked his dad. He says, "Dad, do you know the difference between a pack of cookies and a pack of elephants?" And the dad says,
That's like a huge difference.
No, son, I don't know what the difference is between a pack of cookies and a pack of elephants.
Yes.
And the son says, that's a good thing Mom does the grocery shopping. Oh, that's pretty good. I was laughing.
That was good.
Oh, me and Matt, we were rolling in the floor. It was so funny.
Otherwise, if your dad did it, you'd end up with a pack of elephants at home.
We have elephants, but elephant cookies are really good.
Oh, yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
yeah,
You know what I'm saying? Animal cookies.
Animal cookies.
But anyway, I thought it was so funny.
Sprinkles.
It was so funny. Matt was laughing. He was like,
That does sound like Matt.
It was Matt's
Did
laugh
he use
right
his
there.
goofy laugh? Ooh, he's got a goofy laugh. Listen, look what we have. You can write mom's favorite things. You could write 5 things about your mom that you like, or you could write something like this. Okay,
You can write a
Iris?
poem.
I've made some Mother's Day flowers with my fingers and my thumb. So you'll always have these memories for all the years to come.
That's pretty good. Did you write that?
Nope, I found it on the internet.
Found it on the internet.
Yep,
You find lots of cool things on the internet.
But you guys, I want you to sit down today and I want you to really work on your project today for that loved one, the woman that cares for you and that takes care of you, that provides for you, even if it's your sister. It doesn't have to be a mother. Reach out to somebody that is very special to you and that you love so much, and let's paint them something. Do you have anything else you want to add, Miss Iris?
Yeah, why did the monster's mother knit him 3 socks?
Why did the monster's mother knit him 3 socks instead of just 2? Did he have 3 feet? I guess.
She heard he grew another foot.
Taller.
Get it? You
I
grew
love
another
it. Give me
foot.
5. Give me
You
5.
guys
Give me
get
5.
that? Oh,
Boom.
yeah.
You
That was
guys
really good.
have an awesome weekend. Spring is here. Celebrate the woman in your life who you love so much.
That's not your girlfriend.
No, not your girlfriend. You guys have a wonderful weekend, and we will see you next week.
Bye-bye. Dance off.
Do you hear it? Bob and weave, baby. Bob and weave. Bob and weave. So why don't you say something more about your mom that's like, other than she's blue?
She's got a really cool bow.
A what?
A bow.
A bow.
Yeah, a bow.
Like in her hair?
Head bow.
Oh.
Hair bow.
Like what about your mom makes the best food, or
Why do you think I'm here?
she doesn't cook? Okay. What about
I'm here for Matt's cooking.
your mom takes care of you when you're sick?
No, it's kind of a dad deal.
It's kind of a dad deal. Gotta love those dads. What do you think Matt would say about his mom?
I don't know. Why don't you ask him?
Matt? Matt, what would you say about your mom?
Matt! What would you say about your mom? He's not in here. You gotta yell.
Oh, I thought he was, real close by.